Cold foot soup.
Cold foot soup.
So you are going now. My name is Denny, okay?
You have to tenderize the meat first.
Yeah, man.
In a pressure cooker.
Yeah, man. More water.
Water.
Irish.
Irish.
Carrot. The cocoa. The yam.
Yeah.
So what I'm going now, I'm not going to peel this banana, you know?
Okay.
Yard, the real hard way. So watch this. All this are going.
Cho in.
Yeah, man. One bag of scotch this, you know what? We should have put all of this in there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
A
but
killer
us
one.
English people can't handle that.
A killer one kill people. This are the pimento berries. This are go on and a bubble. You see it? You can smell it.
Yeah, man, I can smell it from here, man.
Oh, wow, the camera smell it. Too.
I'm sure they can smell it at home as well.
Dumpling them at height. See them there? Mm-hmm. Yeah, man. Cock soup.
Cock soup.
And while I pour him in, I stir. Little bit of black pepper.
I'm excited to try this, man. Yeah, that's proper.
You see him face?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
I can
So
actually
tell
taste
me,
it.
you want a little bit of salt to
I
taste?
don't,
That's perfect.
I don't need no salt for me,
Okay, man. All right.
Seasoning is perfect.
You see how me do it?
Yeah.